You are learning Power BI, then this is the series for you. Start from video 1 to learn all the basic concepts of Power BI. This particular series had more than 150 plus videos to teach you each and every concepts around DAX, around Power Query, so that you can enhance your skills in Power BI. Subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to another video of beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function, that is table dot to list. Now we have created table from list. Now here we are trying to do reverse of it. We are converting back a table to a list, and let's see what happens. So let's look at the function definition. It's saying table to list, table as table, and operator combine, optional combiner as null value function. So optional argument is there, and you say it's saying combiner dot combine text by delimiter, comma. That's what can be given here. So let's try this out. What happens when we convert a table into list, and how to use this combiner dot combine text by delimiter. Let's check it out. So we go to Power Query, and in Power Query under the home tab, transform data will take us to Power Query, and we have this table 1, which is having 3 columns A, B and C, and this table we would like to convert into the list and check it out what happens. Now to do that what we are going to do is new source blank query, and let's rename it table from list, not from list, table to list, and we go to advanced editor and we say table to list table 1, and let's see what happens. So we are getting error. It's saying we cannot convert one into type text. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to go and bring in this argument and check it out. So we bring in the second argument, still giving the error. We cannot convert value 1 to type text because we have some values which are non-numeric value, and let's look at the example. Okay, so basically if you can see here, they have converted the values into text because we are trying to convert these values into a combined stuff, and the combination can only happen when the values are text. So this is not going to work out on this table because it has numeric values. So let's look at, do we have a table which is only text? Okay, let's duplicate this table. Okay, and mark this column as a text column. So now we have list 3 table. This is the table which we have. Let's rename it as text table. Okay, let's go back here, and here we are going to use text table. So now you can see it's happening. Now let me remove this for time being. So the same kind of result is coming. The comma is by default, and if I say Control Z and let me change it to semicolon, now you got the semicolon. So when we are converting table to list, and the list is going to be a text list, we need all the columns to be text column, and if they are not text column, then it might give error, which we have faced today. So this is the way we can convert a table to list. And now this is a list which is comma separated. So what you can do is you can go say and to table, and I'm telling you the reverse now, and then we going to say split column by delimiter, and we go to advanced operation into column, delimiter is semicolon, and then see we got the table back. Now the column names we are not getting back, but we got our table back. So Go ahead and try this out. Do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.